I'm gonna keep my Ian Snuggie here forever.
You do what you need to with my facial hair.
I am putting away G-Beard too so I can move my head again.
Do you want to take that one again, Ian?
Well,
I'm going to put the beard up here.
You said what he meant.
I think what we all need to do is get more comfortable with character rig animation.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh no,
I don't have the budget for that.
I'm super loving the knobs right now.
What knob? How do you spin it that quickly?
Because I've got, so if I may, I've got it hooked up to my knob system.
Oh, you're frozen on that shot.
Yeah, I should really look into that.
Spinning his knob.
Live on camera in front of thousands of people. Just playing with his knob. We have 402.
Wow, that it gets bigger.
Wow.
402.
That's when you turn.
Whoa!
There's a donation there
What
from
happened?
all these donations are yours except Europa.
$5? No, donor account. $5 from
Stir,
Stirred Not
not
Shaken.